Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro and let me share with you how to open the camera with your power button. So let's begin with activating this option. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings and then go to gesture shortcuts. Here we've got this launch camera option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So either we can double press the power button to open the camera or double press volume down button when the screen is locked. So let's focus on this first option because, to be honest, in my personal opinion, I think that it is much easier and much more intuitive, I would say. So let's turn on this option just by tapping on this switcher, and because I've got my torch turned on this sequence, I mean on this combination of keys, let me just tap on replace. You won't have to do that if you do not have anything assigned to the power button. Alright, so now we can try to open the camera. So here we've got our power button, let's press it twice, and as you can see we've got the camera. Unfortunately, we cannot turn it off like that, so we cannot press on the power button again, but still we can open it quickly just by pressing twice the power button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.